Another abandoned house. Mitchie kind of went through that front door there. Had a nice porch. That brickwork, love it. Hard to walk and do this at the same time. Look at that. I bet that house was gorgeous at one time.
Appeared to be bedrooms upstairs. Had a really nice porch with some brickwork. Anyway, we were just out driving around, and I think that you should come inside and take a look at with it. Had a nice little porch at one time. A little bit of brickwork. Is that a piano over there? Surely not. I'm gonna have to go look. Yeah, it had a nice porch. I think the upper floor was a room. Pretty rotted in here. I think, what the heck is that? See? But here's what it says on the front. Oh, it was a piano.
Another piano thing. I'm recording you. If you want to do it some more.
No, it's okay.
I'm not walking in here.
Step in here.
I am not stepping in here. Look at this floor.
That is why.
But that doesn't stop you. Be careful, baby. I bet this house was gorgeous at one time.
I bet it was too.
Wow. Where's the kitchen at?
Working on it. I assume the bathroom right here. And yeah, I don't know, baby.
It must be this room over here on the other side. Right here.
This was just a closet. Bedroom side only.
I betcha. This
Well,
is where you walked in. This was the living room.
and that's the kitchen. Yeah.
And this was the bedroom and the bathroom. So I bet you that's the kitchen. Oh my God. You be careful, babe. I've seen you fallen through a floor before.
Yes, I know. I broke my ankle too.
I know you did.
Yeah, here's the stairs. So
the kitchen's probably that room right there. I'm going to go around look at it the other way. Through the window.
So you're saying this was the kitchen?
I mean...
Oh, I've been in over here. This was not the kitchen. Well, you know, based on small kitchens, there was plumbing in here.
Get out of there.
I'm doing it now. I have to be sure and step on cross beams here.
God, baby. Get out of there. Get out.
I am. I'm coming. Oh, here's the rest of the piano.
Okay.
Right here.
I gotta try and get down from here.
Huh. I guess they were done playing the piano.
I guess. That must be the inside of the piano.
Yes. Yes, it is.
I'm gonna go over here to the other side to look at the window there. God, you made me nervous walking in there.
Well, makes me a little bit nervous too. You know, this is why you don't let trees grow up close to your house.
Huh.
Wow. That's why what happens.
Yeah. So this is the other room, right, that I thought was the kitchen?
Yeah, and there is well, here's another entryway. So I'll bet you this was the kitchen. Because all these old places you could enter from outside.
Yeah. I'd say it was
Right in to the kitchen. Well, my guess here is a small porch, and then you turn left into the kitchen. That's what I'm seeing. So, basement. And I'm not going on those stairs because that's exactly how I broke my ankle.
Yep.
Basement stairs.
Yeah, this is the little colored porch right here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Cool. Very cool. Yeah, this was a nice place.
Oh, I know. I can tell.
I mean, it's only sitting on maybe an acre. I don't know. I wish I knew. Yeah, it was. There's what? Oh, well, then I don't have to go down. So, a garage, I suppose. What's left of the basement? It did cave in. Let's go here. You know, this is part of the problem. You can't, unless you pour those full of concrete, you cannot keep them in place.
Oh, you have to fill up the holes with concrete.
Yeah, just putting stucco on, stacking them up like that and putting stucco on them is, I mean, it'll get you by, but then it'll sag and move on you.